I saw Alewa youth burning Nigerian flag, speaking Hausa language. Listen to me, burning Nigerian flag will not solve this problem. Now all of us go to suffer it for this country called Nigeria. No be una dey talk say Igbo man no go lose Nigeria. Peter Obi as an Igbo man will win this election. We're supposed to lose. Una carry and push him outside, disgrace him for this country called Nigeria. And you wanna expect good things to happen to this country. You are a pastor, you are a reverend father, you are a bishop. You are in the position to speak the truth. You are in position to tell people that he's not the one that won this election. And you are praying for Nigeria for things to better. Okay, the God where we serve is a holy God. And God is the God that stands for truth. So it's better for all these pastors that is saying that everything will be better, and you people know that Tinubu is not the one that won this election. How do you expect things will be better? The right thing you're supposed to do is for you to stand up and tell the president of Nigeria, sir, you're not the one that won this election. Speak the truth. Stop hiding. No, they cause this trouble for this country, Nigeria. Tribalism, even in Christianity, tribalism, in politics, tribalism. Listen to me, let me give you the solution of this country called Nigeria. I'm not sure that this country will be better again. I'm not sure that dollar will return to 500 naira again. I'm not sure that dollar will return to 300 naira or 700 naira again in Nigeria. I'm not sure. I'm not sure that fuel will return like 300 or 200 per liter. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm not sure that bag of cement will return to 5,000 again in Nigeria. I'm not sure. The solution of this country is to divide. Let everybody go their own way. If Nigeria Delta people talk say we and them no be then make it 5 states done better for us, because even now we there for one Nigeria. The oil where they get for Nigeria Delta, we Igbos no dey benefit them. So if Nigeria Delta people talk say they no be Biafra, they no be Igbos in Ganga, and that one is not my business. Let them take their own state and go, because even now we are one Nigeria. The oil in Nigeria Delta, we Igbos are not benefiting from it. So why are we using because of their oil, calling them to come and join us? If they don't want to join us, let them go. From their own states. This country, Nigeria, I'm not seeing things moving forward in this Nigeria. The best option is this country to divide. Let Biafra come. If Oduduwa, yes, Oduduwa will come. Every country will develop their own economic. They will build their economic well. This country don't scattered. If you take 100,000 naira enter market, you will see that 100,000 naira will finish. If you take 500,000 naira, 1 million naira, 2 million naira enter market, you will see that everything will be finished. Your money will finish, and you go look for what to use that money buy. You go to talk say, now this is why I use 500,000 naira buy. Everything does scattered. Things are getting worse and worse every day, because that man in that Asulok, he's not the one that won the election. Tinubu is not the one that won the election. Let him come out from that place. Let the person that won the election go and do what he's supposed to do. But tribalism not allow people to do tribalism, because Igbos are born to serve in Nigeria. Igbos are like a slave in Nigeria. Now the other thing I want to talk, all this Lagos, because since Jagaban, since Tinubu become the president of Nigeria, everything in Nigeria change. Bad luck, hardship. Since that first time he stood up to give speech, and that immediately he spoke fuel. That time it was broke, bam. You know, these 2 minutes, fuel will change for Nigeria. But till today, nothing. Higher price they go, no solution. Since Tinubu become the president of Nigeria, Igbos are crying in Lagos. Then they cry in Lagos. If they demolish their house, demolish their shops, Igbos are crying. So tell me the benefit are we getting in this country called Nigeria? Tell me the benefit. Tell me the benefit. And we are praying that God will make Nigeria better, that our governor, our president will organ. As for me as an evangelist, I stand for truth. If na Igbo man will sit on that seat of us, if na Igbo man will sit on that as a president of Nigeria, and I know say that Igbo man is not the one that won the election, Oga, I will stand up and tell him, Peter, come out from that seat. You are not the one that won this election. I stand for truth, because the God that we are serving is a holy God. He's a truth God. So you pastor, general overseer that are disgracing Christianity in this our generation, This our general overseer, all these big daddy in the Lord that are disgracing Christianity in this generation. When I go see, when I go no say this person not be him win election. When I go just keep quiet because of what you people will benefit. What kind of Christianity are we practicing in this country called Nigeria? Nigeria don't scatter, do. Nigeria don't scatter. Nigeria don't scatter. Everything don't scatter. Everything don't scatter. Hey, what kind of country is this? What kind of country that is this? Hey. Amam na dollar kaja na hashiazu to 500 naira again in this country. Amala mona fuel 1 liter of fuel. Ogana hashiazu to 300 naira again. Ah, where are the Yorubas that are telling Igbos to go back to Anambra and vote for P2P? Where are you people now? Where are those Hausa people are burning Igbo market in North and telling them to return back to Anambra and Enugu State and go and vote for P2P? Where are they now? I know that all of us are suffering about. I know that all of us are feeling the heat. I know all of us are getting the pain, the touch us now. I have many questions to ask Nigerians. Number one, can a liter of fuel sell 300 naira again in Nigeria? Number two question I want to ask, whether dollar will become 500 naira again in Nigeria or 450. This is the question I want to ask Nigerians. Bag of cement now is 11,000 something now. By next 2 weeks, it may be enter like 15,000, 12,000 naira. A liter of fuel is 700 naira now. By December, it may go to 1,000 naira. Dollar, maybe December, dollar may enter 2,000 naira now. Nobody know what is going on in this country called Nigeria. But question I want to ask, whether this country will be better again, that is the question I want to ask. Whether dollar will become 300 naira or 250 in future. This is the question I want Nigerians to answer me. But before you people answer me this question, wait, I want to tell you something now. Immediately, Tinubu, that day where Tinubu, they give speech, the time when they want swear and in as our president, that time when Tinubu they give speech, that immediately he spoke about fuel. That time fuel will change price, higher price. Immediately he become the president of Nigeria, everywhere scattered. So my question is that where all these Yorubas that are telling Igbos in during the election time they should come back, they should go back to Anambra, come back to Igbo land and go and vote for P2P. How far now? How are they feel them now? I know that they feel them well. All those Igbo, all these Yorubas where they born Igbo market in Lagos State, where they tell them they should return back to Anambra and vote for P2P, they should go back to Enugu and vote for P2P. I know say Tinubu now they make una happy now. I know say this thing where they happen to Nigeria, they think no nation and only Igbo where they think they reach. Why? No only Igbo people they suffer this dollar. Listen, no, all of us go suffer the same for Nigeria. I saw one Alewa youth, 3 boys. They were burning Nigerian flag. I no one post this video for my video because of the Facebook standard and YouTube and all these things. They are burning Nigerian flag. They are crying. They are not happy for what is happening in Nigeria. They were holding Nigerian flag, burning it. Alewa youth, because of hardship everywhere. I think said those people then they talk so that them be born to do. If they say if Hausa man or Yoruba man no sit on that seat, in fact everywhere will be scattered. An Igbo man that God will use to do many wonders in Nigeria, but you people use because of tribalism, and all the Nigerians, you people have this mindset of born to rule or born to serve. Una allow tribalism to rule on our mind. Nigerian politicians brainwash you people with tribalism. Igbo na born to serve. Fulani, Hausa, Yorubas are born to rule. So when I pursue people to be out from that seat, listen to me. As long as people sit on that seat, listen, Nigeria no go better. I'm the one that's saying it. As long as Tinubu is sitting on that ass rock, Nigeria no be better because that seat where he sit down no be he get am. No be he get am. no matter amount of prayer we they pray, no matter amount of pastors wey come to us up go pray, nothing, because we know the truth. We know the truth that Tinubu is not the one that won this election. So all this is one of the talk. Now blah blah blah. Whether you a pastor, reverend father, bishop, no amount of your prayer will go make Nigeria better. Because we know the truth and all of us are hiding to say the truth. Tinubu is not the one that won this election. How do you expect everything to be better? And you people know that he's not the one that won the election. But you people cannot speak it out. What kind of Christianity are we practicing?